79 seconds. Life's countdown. I'm Cassini, diving into Saturn's air. At 35, I'm burning. Yet my antenna locks on Earth, sending final data home. 20 years, 7.9 billion kilometers. I'm heading home. Home, Saturn. My love's on Earth. This is my story, and it begins with a murder. September 15th, 2017. NASA ordered me to dive into Saturn's air. Basically, just suicide. Plotted 5 years, making sure I'd die. Why? Found a huge secret. This secret's so dangerous NASA would destroy my $3.4 billion self. Secret later. First, I'll start at the beginning. October 15th, 1997. Cape Canaveral. Rocket lifts off. I sat atop the rocket there, debuting at 6.8 meters, 2.5 tons. I carried 12 top instruments, worth today, 17 Boeing 780. NASA's task sounded simple. Go to Saturn, see what's there for me. Yet it took 7 years. Saturn is 1.2 billion kilometers from Earth. Get it? Light needs an hour one way. Fastest about dozen kilometers per second. Worse, no space gas. My fuel can't fly. Now what? NASA scientists found a clever trick. Steal a planet's speed. Gravity, basically. I skim a planet. Let gravity slingshot me out. Free. Massive speed. Scientists mapped me a twisted route slingshot off Venus. Then back to Earth once. Slingshot again. Hit Venus once. Then hit Jupiter once. 4 slingshots boosted speed from 5 to 30 kilometers/s 6-fold. Way wasn't calm. In 2000, passing Jupiter, snapped photo. I filmed something eerie. Io's volcano erupting on Jupiter. Magma blasted 400 kilometers into space. First ever footage of alien eruption, right? Then I knew the trip wasn't wasted, but I didn't know a bigger surprise awaited up ahead. July 1st, 2004. Reached Saturn. First sight left me speechless. This planet is huge, 9 Earths wide, fits 763 Earth. No land, only a thick atmosphere. Clear. Foul gas storms never stop. Winds hit 400 meters per second. Earth's typhoon looks like a kid. Most stunning, Saturn's rings. A 270,000 kilometer disk of countless ice rock bits. Ranging from houses, it glints gold in sunlight. From the side, blade thin. From the front, blazing like the Milky Way flattened, and I knew at once why humans spent $3.4 billion sending me here. Not sightseeing. Saturn has 83 moons. Scientists focus most on the giant one, Titan. Titan alone has a thick atmosphere. Pressure even exceeds Earth's. Strangest, its air matches 4 billion-year-old Earth. Nitrogen, methane, organics. Scientists suspect life on Titan, but truth's unknown. Its atmosphere still hides the surface outside. I brought Huygens lander, January 14th, 2005, then dropped it. He spent 2.5-hour piercing atmosphere, snapping pics. Sent when it finally saw land. Its feed silenced Earth's scientists. An orange-red wasteland, pebbles scattered, rinsed clean by distant dry riverbeds. coastlines. Titan rains liquid methane at minus 179. Titan has oceans, but they flow methane ething, not water there. On this moon, water freezes rock hard. Methane becomes rivers, rain, and seas here. If life exists on Titan, bodies redefine life. Huygens lasted 72 minutes, froze, yet its data fueled decades of research. I kept working, looping Saturn, photographing moons, threading ring gaps, gathering data. I found the secret that changed fate. In 2005, I flew past Enceladus once, only 500 kilometers wide. All ice, unremarkable, but over its south pole, I filmed scene that stunned NASA. Huge cracks appeared. Fissures blasted outward wildly. Plumes rose hundreds kilometers high straight into space. I edged closer, flew through plumes, and scanned contents. Results came. NASA scientists went crazy. Real water vapor from liquid water. Not the wildest. Plumes had sodium, salts, organics, hydrogen. This formula exists only at deep sea vents. What are they? Earth's strangest place. No sun. Life thrives on chemical energy. Many scientists call it Earth's life birthplace. Enceladus, an unremarkable moon, hides a global ocean under ice. Seafloor vents may release heat energy. Liquid water, heat, organics, chemical energy, everything life needed. All there. Alien life likely exists on Enceladus. Shocking secret. News hit Earth. Scientists erupted. Right after, NASA suddenly made an unthinkable call to kill me. Why? I'm from Earth, where every inch and drop swarms with microbes. NASA scrubbed me before launch, but no one promised I'm completely clean. If fuel runs out and I crash on Enceladus, bacteria could taint its ocean. If life exists there, even simple single-celled forms, humanity's first alien contact could trigger an extinction-level disaster. Humans become a cosmic invader, sought alien life, not to taint. I die. Die safely in Saturn's atmosphere. No grudges, honestly. Dying in Saturn's arms is nice. Studied this planet 13 years, know it best. April 2017. Mission began. NASA named this operation the grand finale. They made me dive through gap between Saturn's rings, atmosphere. That zone's just 2,000 kilometers wide. No probe dared enter. One hit. I'm scrap. We're dying anyway. Why fear? I jumped 22 times. Each gathering Saturn's rings. How old? How fast? What's inside Saturn? In my final months, I answered each one at last. Set 15, 2017, 7:55 Earth. Began final dive. I adjust position. Antenna stays aimed at Earth. Signals take 80. NASA got my signal. It was over. Still sent it. I wanted them to know I worked to my last second. Entering, I saw gas giants pour. Pressure climbs. Heat rises. My skin ignites. The heat shield fails, flaking away in pieces. I feel myself tearing apart. But my thrusters fight to keep the antenna aimed at Earth longer. I sent Saturn air data, composition, temperature, pressure. Humans never had. At 79 seconds, thrusters failed. Antenna lost aim into nothingness. 1.5 billion kilometers out, NASA's screens went flat. All silent. Applause. I'm Cassini, named for astronomer who found 4 Saturn moons. Flew 7.9 bkm. Took 450k photos. Sent 6 uncovered Saturn's ring secrets. Saw Titan's methane seas. Found Enceladus's hidden ocean. I died so that ocean might stay unpolluted. If humans find life there someday, it's history's greatest discovery. The story began with me.